Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most widely used cloud storage platforms, Google Drive. But we're not just scratching the surface. We're uncovering the intricate technologies and advanced features that truly set Google Drive apart. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a digital journey into the heart of Google's cloud. Let's get started. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. It allows users to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files with others. Here's a basic overview of how Google Drive works. Cloud storage. At its core, Google Drive provides users with cloud storage. When you upload a file to Google Drive, it's stored in Google's data centers. This allows you to access your files from any device with an internet connection. Web interface. Users can access their files stored on Google Drive through a web browser. This interface provides functionalities like uploading, downloading, organizing into folders, and sharing files. Desktop and mobile applications. In addition to the web interface, Google Drive offers desktop applications for Windows and macOS, as well as mobile applications for Android and iOS. These applications can synchronize files between a user's device and the cloud. This means changes made to files on one device can reflect on all other devices the user has linked to their Google Drive. File sharing and collaboration. One of the standout features of Google Drive is the ability to share files and folders with others. Users can set sharing permissions, allowing specific individuals to view, comment, or edit the content. This collaboration is particularly powerful in Google Workspace applications like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, where multiple users can work on a document in real time. Google Workspace integration. Google Drive is closely integrated with other Google services like Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. These tools save directly to Google Drive and have built-in sharing and collaboration features. Version history. Google Drive tracks changes made to files, allowing users to view or revert to previous versions. This is particularly useful for collaborative work in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Search. Given it's a Google product, Drive has a powerful search feature that can even recognize objects in images or text in scanned documents. Third-party apps and extensions. Google Drive allows for integration with various third-party apps and extensions available through the G Suite marketplace. These tools can enhance the functionality of Drive or provide specialized services. Security and privacy. Files stored in Google Drive are encrypted both in transit and at rest. Google also provides options for two-factor authentication for added security on user accounts. Drive API. Developers can use the Google Drive API to create apps that integrate with Google Drive, adding functionality, automation, and more. Pricing and storage tiers. Google Drive offers a free tier with a certain amount of storage. For users who need more storage or additional features, there are paid plans available, often bundled as part of Google One or Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, for businesses. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the layers beneath Google Drive's user-friendly interface, from its groundbreaking machine learning capabilities to its robust global infrastructure. We hope you found this deep dive insightful. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Keep exploring, and stay curious.